This is the outside garden room that's being built here at Foras Showrooms. Gives you an outside but open-sided kitchen dining area covered. You put running water with a raised tap, storage underneath it, plate racks, obviously electric lighting, beautiful oak beam ceiling and open structure on the front, giving aspect throughout onto the garden. And then to the side, made out of logs. It's just a panel design here, but very effective. Wooden structure again going through to an internal covered area. Just let me take you around. And inside the structure's been built out of oak, panelled and simple structure with tiled floor. Beautiful doors opening onto it really is a veranda, an open veranda. Lovely bit of design with hard landscaping going out in front and some water features.